And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can monetize your faceless YouTube channel. All right, it's actually very simple, and the rules to apply to get monetized are the same as a non-faceless channel. But still, if you want to know like what monetization actually means and how you can enter the YouTube Partner Program, I'm just going to show you how it looks in a dashboard and like the rules for actually being eligible for joining the YouTube Partner Program. So real quick, so this is like the dashboard of my channel. If you have your own YouTube channel, you get this dashboard, the YouTube Studio, and in the left bar here, you can go to earn. So as it says here, earn on YouTube, next milestone, start your earning journey. So what they mean in your dashboard by earning means that you get monetized, and getting monetized means entering the YouTube Partner Program. Once you enter the YouTube Partner Program, then you can put ads on your videos and earn from AdSense revenue. There's other ways to monetize your YouTube channel by promoting digital products, like by promoting your school community, by promoting your one-on-one coaching, which is what I use this channel for mostly. This channel is not monetized through AdSense. This channel only gets a couple hundred views maybe per video. But I make educational content that redirects to my high ticket programs and courses and community, which I earn with. But in the sense of monetizing your faceless YouTube channel, what we mean is getting it accepted into the YouTube Partner Program and making money from AdSense revenue. So the way by doing this is by reaching the benchmarks for the YouTube Partner Program, or YPP, which we will be going over right here. Basically on this page, you need to reach some benchmarks to be able to apply for it. So YouTube doesn't let anyone in. You need to reach a benchmark of 4,000 hours of watch time public and also 1,000 subscribers. Once you reach this, these bars here will basically fill up. And once they fill up right here, see, so 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of public watch hours, then you can apply to the YouTube Partner Program. If you apply to it, YouTube will manually review your channel if you abide by their rules. So by these rules, and if you do, they will let you in, and then you can start putting ads on your videos and earn from AdSense revenue. So let's just go over this article right here, because I know people like you watching probably just don't be bothered by watching these articles that actually go over everything that you need to know. But so the Partner Program overview and eligibility. The YouTube Partner Program, YPP, gives creators access to YouTube resources and monetization features, and access to creator supports. It allows revenue sharing from ads being served on your content. So really quick, I will show you how actually this works, as in you have 3 or 4 players in the game of YouTube. You have the YouTube platform, you have advertisers, you have creators. So creators are people that make channels, YouTube is the platform, and you have advertisers. So advertisers, they want to make money from ads they show on YouTube. So maybe before you watch this video, there was an ad shown, right? So the advertiser wants to sell a product. So they pay YouTube to show their ads on videos. And then if you enter the YPP, the YouTube Partner Program, you get 55% revenue share from what advertisers pay YouTube. So what advertisers pay YouTube is called the CPM, basically the cost per 1,000 impressions. And then you earn RPM from that, which is 55% of that CPM. And that is, let's say if your RPM is like $5, you will earn $5 per 1,000 views on your channel. And that would mean that advertisers would pay YouTube around like $10 or $11 for 1,000 impressions on the ads. And of course, if you go full circle, these advertisers try to sell enough products to be profitable from paying YouTube for showing the ads, right? So that's basically how the money flows in YouTube, and why it makes sense for everyone to be in this game, because viewers can watch your content for free, and then if the ads align with them, they can buy from the ads, okay? So what you need to join the YouTube Partner Program. Follow the YouTube channel monetization policies. These are a collection of policies and guidelines that allow you to monetize on YouTube, and compliance with them is required when you accept a partner agreement. So basically this means that you stick to the rules of not stealing other people their content and make unique content. These are the 2 main things that YouTube wants you to stick to. So you can't steal from others without changing it accordingly. And you need to make something that provides value or entertainment to the community. All right, so we live in a country where the YouTube Partner Program is available. So if you click this link, you can see all those countries. I think it's almost all countries apart from, like, at the moment, Russia and North Korea or something. Have no active community guideline strikes. So when you steal someone's content, they can strike your content for copyright infringement. Two-step verification is turned on in your Google account, super easy. Have advanced features access on YouTube. You will get this once you upload videos. And then have one active AdSense for your YouTube account. AdSense is basically the platform where you earn the money on. So your YouTube channel earns money from views it gets, and then the money gets sent to AdSense, the AdSense account you make. You can link that yourself, and then AdSense pays you out around the 22nd of every single month. Now, how you can become eligible to earn money with your Faceless YouTube channel. Again, YouTube Partner Program rules, what I just gone over with you. 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 hours of public watch times, or your shorts need to make 10 million views in 90 days. So once you get this, again, these bars fill up, and then you get a button here where it says apply to join the YouTube Partner Program. So these are basically the things that you need to know to monetize. And once you get access, you basically get a notification here, and then you get a new tab right here where you can basically like turn on all the ads on your long form videos or shorts. And then per video, you can add the mid-roll ads to your video too. And then they just start making money. And that is the simple way how to monetize your Faceless YouTube channels. All right. If you need help finding a niche or building Faceless videos, check out the links in the description. I have my flagship one-on-one 3-month one-on-one coaching program where I basically get on live calls with you every week to help you out with this. I also have my school community, group coach community, where I help people. And in the past years of me doing this, we helped some people like Sanjit make over 2K a month within 3 months. Michael make over 7K a month in 3 months. Michael make 15K a month in 6 months. Lisa making over 3K a month in 3 months. Elon making over 2K a month in 3 months. And as you can see here, a lot more results like this. All right, so if you are serious about starting your Faceless YouTube channel, book a call with me, and hopefully I can help you out there.